Have you ever been in a situation where you need to make a call, but your phone is dead? Or maybe you're traveling and don't want to use your regular phone number. If so, then Nextiva is the perfect solution for you. Nextiva is a cloud-based phone system that allows you to make and receive calls from anywhere in the world. You can also use it to send and receive text messages and even hold conference calls. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Nextiva app on your phone. Before we get started, I want to mention that there are two different versions of the Nextiva app, one for Android and one for iOS. The steps I'm going to show you will work for either version. Steps: download the Nextiva app from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, open it up. You will be prompted to enter your Nextiva username and password. If you don't have a Nextiva account, you can create one by clicking on the Sign Up button. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the main screen of the app. From here, you can make calls, send text messages, and hold conference calls. You can also set up your voicemail and call forwarding options. Once you're all set up, you can start using Nextiva to make and receive calls from anywhere in the world. Tips: make sure you have a good internet connection when using Nextiva. You can use Nextiva to make calls to landlines and mobile phones. You can also use Nextiva to send and receive text messages to landlines and mobile phones. You can use Nextiva to hold conference calls with up to 25 participants. You can use Nextiva to set up your voicemail and call forwarding options. You can use Nextiva to access your call history and voicemail messages from anywhere in the world. I hope this video has helped you learn how to set up the Nextiva app on your phone. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching.